What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks about the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to maximize your use of this phone. So let's get started. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more content on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and definitely consider checking out some of my other videos. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is how to open any app on the cover screen of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to make the best use of that big screen. So what you're going to do is download GoodLock. It's an application found within the Galaxy Store and not the Google Play Store. So definitely go to the Samsung Galaxy Store instead of the Google Play Store, and I'll leave a link down to where you can download it in the description. So you're going to install GoodLock. Okay, and within this application, you're going to go and find Multistar, click on it, and then click on I Heart Galaxy Foldables, and then scroll down to, or actually don't just scroll, just find where it says Launch Your Widget, tap on that, and then you can see all these apps, or actually all the apps that you have on your phone, and you can select all of them if you want, or just go through and choose ones that you are okay with having on the cover screen. So you could maybe not have YouTube on it or any social media, just so it's strictly to quick little things. By default, let me see. Not sure how you turn it off. But yeah, so you would hit enable and then just select whatever apps you want. And then when you close your phone and unlock it, and then just pinch with the two fingers. And then scroll down and find it says GoodLock. And then all the apps are here, and you can open whatever application you want. And it'll say that not all of them are optimized for it, but to be honest, it actually works really well. So that's the first tip. And then the next one is you're going to go into settings, scroll down to advanced features, and then you're going to hit labs. You're going to hit labs. And then you can do multi-window for apps, and then flex mode panel. You can turn this on, and I'll show you what that does. And then use cover screen navigation, or use main screen navigation on cover screen, so toggle that on. And then you'll also see this apps allowed on cover screen, labs. So you can allow, as of now, maps, messenger, messages and messages, WhatsApp, YouTube, and then if you don't want it, you can just turn it off at the top. And then when you turn it back on, whatever apps you had selected will be right there, already selected. And then dark mode apps. Personally, I don't really like dark mode. I always use light mode, but as of now, only YouTube is supported as a dark mode app. So it forces it into dark mode, which I mean is okay. I personally don't like it, but you can do that if you want. And then the next feature is found within settings. And then you're going to go to device care, and then right here it says optimize now to free up more space, and it'll say optimize now if it needs to be optimized, but if it's good, it'll say all good. So this is basically just to make sure that your phone is running in the best condition it can be. So hit done, and this is great. And then also storage. So when you delete stuff, it doesn't just delete, it goes into the trash. So you can find the trash here. And then also one thing that I found really important, or not important, but really helpful, is duplicated files. So this takes all the files that you have that are duplicated, which take up just extra space. So just select all duplicates. And if you select it, as you can see, it'll only select one copy of it. And then just hit delete. And as you can see, it cleared up 4 gigabytes of storage, which is really nice. And then also unused apps, so apps you've not used. So yeah, any apps you haven't used in the last 30 days will appear there. And then large files, you can go through this and then find what are the largest files. And if you want to delete all of them, can hit select items, and again it'll select all of it. Yeah, so then in trash, you're going to tap on my files and then just empty it out. So then now there's nothing in the trash. So yeah, this is basically just like an area that you can just like kind of like take everything that's like, I guess you could say, wrong with your phone, and just like fix it. Like I said, like it has like the duplicate thing, so you can like see what files you have duplicated. And then another thing that's really important to do is check how the memory is. So just click on memory, and then clean now says plus 1 gigabyte, so there's over a gigabyte of stuff that can clear out. And so now the phone is optimized. And if you want to add this as a widget so you can get easy access to it, you're just going to go into widgets and scroll down to device care, and then you're going to find it right here, and then just press and hold, and then just apply it to the lock or to your home screen, so you can always have it there just at a quick glance. And you can also press this little like broom icon just to clear out everything. So it says your phone has been optimized. If you don't want to like open up the application, if you just want to quickly hit that, it'll optimize it right from the widget. So I hope you enjoyed those quick little tips. If you want me to do more like this, just let me know down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and definitely check out some of my other videos. And I will see you in my next one. See you then.